Experience macOS 26 look on Windows 11, and it's faster than standard Windows 11. How, you may ask? Based on Tiny 1125H2, it's bloat-free, ultralight, and optimized. Glass theme runs smoothly without slowing your PC. Windows updates, Defender, and Store are fully supported. Hello, this is Neil from Apidus. Let's start. You start by creating macOS 26 edition using the Tiny 11 Creator tool. Open the creator you downloaded from our official website. The link is in the pinned comment. Click Build and let it generate the installer automatically. If you prefer a ready-made installer, you can order it directly from our site. Why use the Tiny 11 Creator? macOS 26 edition is built on the Tiny 11 core. This ensures faster performance than standard Windows 11, full support for modern apps, and keeps the sleek macOS 26 look and glass theme fully intact. Make sure you have a valid Windows 11 license. Only clean installations are supported. Build time depends on your internet speed. Avoid downloading macOS 26 builds from unofficial sources. Many contain spyware or keyloggers that can compromise your system. Our site is the only safe source. Always use the official creator or official installer. Once the build finishes, the log will show, "Build finished successfully. Your installer is ready to use." Next, use Zeno, a compact tool that lets you install macOS 26 without a bootable USB. Zeno is included in our package. Open it and select the macOS 26 installer you created earlier. Choose the drive where you want to install the system. Make sure the drive has no important files, as formatting will erase everything. Set the file system to NTFS and confirm. Zeno handles the installation automatically. Wait a few minutes for the setup to complete. Restart your PC. You should see a dual boot menu with macOS 26. If the menu doesn't appear, add the boot entry using a BCD editor like EasyBCD or Visual BCD. That's it. No USB, no complicated steps, just a clean macOS 26 installation. If Zeno gives an error, or you prefer using a USB, Rufus is a simple and reliable alternative. Insert a USB drive with at least 8 GB. Make sure it has no important files, as the process will erase everything. Open Rufus, select your macOS 26 installer, choose the USB drive, and start the build. The process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your system and USB speed. Once finished, you'll have a bootable macOS 26 USB. Restart your PC and press the boot menu key. Most devices use F12, F8, or Escape. If unsure, a quick search will show the correct key for your model. macOS 26 setup will launch automatically. Select your region, time, and currency format. Enter your license key if required. When you reach drive selection, double-check the drive, as installation will erase all data. Non-English users can adjust the language from settings after installation. Once installation finishes, macOS 26 boots straight to the desktop, clean, fast, and ready. If you're on Windows 11 and want an instant speed boost, try our app, Velotic. It converts your current Windows into Tiny 11 in a few clicks. It also gives the same performance boost on macOS 26 edition. Velotic isn't a cleaner, it's a system overhaul. It raises FPS, cuts lag, and keeps your PC running like it's brand new, every single day. CPU and GPU are tuned automatically. Junk files are deleted before you even notice. Hidden slowdowns? Gone in real time. You get over 500 pro-level tweaks, one-click Windows debloat, instant app installs, and smart power management that adapts to how you work or play. It even compresses data safely to free up 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick fix. It's the same technology used by power users and studios to keep systems fast and reliable. Built over 3 years, tested by thousands, and refined with every update. $19.99 once. Lifetime speed, zero effort. Velotic. Built for performance users who refuse slow. Now we move to the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic, go to the debloat page, and press play. The tool handles everything for you. With one click, your system reaches Tiny 11 speed with no file loss and no broken features. You can check the full guide through the I button and the link in the description. After setup finishes, open the Configure app and enable compression. This reduces your disk usage by roughly half. The process takes about 30 minutes, so let it run in the background. If your PC slows down, you can undo it with a single click. When complete, you'll have the full macOS 26 edition running on the Tiny11 25H2 core. You get the sleek macOS 26 look with fully functional Windows Defender, Microsoft Store, and updates, all in a system that uses around 7 gigabytes. Everything works, including security and updates. Standard Windows usually takes 40 gigabytes or more before any apps are installed. This build delivers the same core features in a much smaller, faster, and more efficient package. Now that installation is complete, you can connect to the internet. Open the Configure app and select the browser you want. Chrome is pre-installed, but you can uninstall it if you prefer. You can also choose Edge, Opera, or Firefox. You're no longer limited to Edge. Which browser features matter most to you? Let me know in the comments. Chrome installs in seconds with a fully automated one-click process. Once online, check out my YouTube channel and our partner channel. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. You'll also find a link to our Discord server in the description. Join the community for support and early previews of upcoming builds. If you experience random crashes, freezes, or out-of-memory errors, you can fix it quickly. Open the Configure app, enable paging files, and restart your PC. This solves most stability issues instantly. Paging files are off by default to keep macOS 26 edition light, but turning them on greatly improves system stability. Next, let's handle drivers. Drivers control your graphics, sound, input, network, and every component of your PC. In macOS 26 edition, installing drivers is simple. No searching random sites or dealing with messy installers. Open the Configure app and click Install Drivers. You can select specific drivers or click Install All. Do you need drivers? If you game or edit videos, your graphics driver is crucial. On laptops, drivers manage the touchpad, touchscreen, and function keys. On desktops, they handle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio, and power features. Once installed, your PC runs smoothly and efficiently, ready for daily use. Why should you buy Premium macOS 2026 edition? Because with macOS 26 edition, you get a secure, reliable system that performs faster because it runs on our optimized Tiny11 core. Random tools, unofficial theme packs, or hacks can slow your PC, break features, and expose you to malware. They modify system files in risky ways and often leave your system unstable. Here you get convenience and safety. A clean build that installs easily and works from day one. The sleek macOS 26 look without unsafe modifications. Faster performance, lower resource use, and full support for modern apps. You save time, avoid issues, and keep your data secure. Thanks for watching. This is Apetus, signing off.